Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card review. Hello world travelers, reward enthusiasts, and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I will give you an overview of the card, pros and cons, and my take on the card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. The Chase Sapphire Reserve card has a high annual fee and requires an excellent credit score to be approved, but it offers excellent rewards on travel and dining purchases. However, ardent travelers will find this travel card appealing because of its high earnings, luxury perks, and flexible redemption options. You can recoup its cost and more over the course of a year if you spend heavily in its main categories and take full advantage of its benefits. Cardholders get a number of free features that are standard on most other cards, such as 24/7 access to a customer service specialist from anywhere in the world and a free credit tool called Credit Journey from Chase that automatically alerts you of potential fraud. The card also comes with a free credit score. Customers can use Chase's Credit Card Resources Center to get answers to common credit card questions, access credit card education information, learn what to do in the event of fraud, and dispute a charge. Generally, you will need a credit score of 740 to get approved. Pros: excellent points rewards for travel and dining. At 3 points per dollar spent for travel and dining purchases, this card offers one of the best rewards rates among premium travel cards, better even than its lower price sibling, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Points are worth 50% more for travel bought through Chase. The value of points increases from 1 cent per point to 1.5 cents per point when redeemed for travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards. That boost gives you an effective rewards rate of 4.5% on travel and dining purchases, since you earn 3 points per dollar in those categories. While the Chase portal allows points to be redeemed for cashback, gift cards, and transfers to Chase Points partners, the bonus applies only if points are used to make travel purchases. Large bonus for new cardholders. Few travel cards offer a bonus as substantial as the Chase Sapphire Reserve, which partly explains the card's popularity. New members can earn 50,000 bonus points after spending $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months of opening an account. That's $750 toward travel when you redeem through Chase Ultimate Rewards R. While that's fewer points than the 80,000 you receive with the introductory offer for the Chase Sapphire Preferred card, the value of both bonuses is almost the same, provided the bonus points are used to buy travel from Chase Ultimate Rewards. Exceptional luxury travel benefits. Earn up to $100 in statement credits every 4 years towards global entry or TSA per check, complimentary access to more than 1,000 VIP airport lounges worldwide, and benefits with the luxury hotel and resort collection. Cons: $550 annual fee. With its $550 annual fee, this is among the priciest cards on the market. Using the $300 annual travel credit can help offset over half the annual fee, though. Still, this card's cost increases the incentive to determine in advance the likelihood that you'll travel and eat out enough to have the investment pay off. Limited high rewards categories. Some cards offer their best rewards in a range of categories, and so offer strong earnings on many or most purchases. The Chase Sapphire Reserve isn't such a card. Chase limits the 3 points per dollar rewards on this card to travel and dining. Beyond that, all other purchases earn just 1 point per dollar spent. Strong credit appears to be required. Unlike many other card issuers, Chase doesn't specify the minimum credit score range to qualify for each of its cards. But the best indications are the Chase Sapphire Reserve recommends excellent credit, which is to say a score of at least 750. My thoughts on the card. Chase Sapphire Reserve is a top entry among premium travel cards, with premium perks, generous rewards, and an outstanding bonus offer. The benefits of this card will be greatest for travel maximalists, but the rewards and perks are substantial enough that even regular diners and travelers may come out ahead after paying the $550 annual fee. The redemption program offered by Chase adds to the card's appeal. The plan is extremely versatile, allowing cardholders to redeem points for almost any type of purchase or transfer them to a loyalty program. When points are used to purchase travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards, there is also a fantastic 50% bonus. Another benefit: people who have this card and other Chase cards that earn Ultimate Rewards can use the additional cards for certain purchases, possibly at a better rate than the Chase Sapphire Reserve, and then transfer the points earned to this card's account to purchase travel at Chase Ultimate Rewards, taking advantage of the Sapphire Reserve's 50% points redemption bonus. If your travel and dining habits are standard, the Chase Sapphire Preferred may be a better fit. Its benefits and rewards aren't quite as extensive as the Sapphire Reserves, but they're adequate and you'll be able to justify the lower $9 to $5 annual fee more easily. This sibling card is accompanied by a sizable bonus. This card is best if you seek to maximize points or miles earnings across spending categories. If you are a frequent flyer who flies often for business or leisure, a frequent diner dines out regularly while traveling, or in home city if you travel outside of US on occasion or frequently. For devoted travelers with excellent credit looking for a premium travel card, the Chase Sapphire Reserve is a compelling option. It can also be a good option for regular travelers who only take a few trips per year, but want to take advantage of luxury benefits while on the road. The card's value is enhanced by a $100 credit every 4 years for global entry or TSA per check, as well as complimentary access to more than 1,000 airport lounges. This card is especially beneficial to those who already have or are considering getting other Chase Ultimate Rewards cards. This is due to the fact that you can transfer points between those cards and your account for this one. You can then choose the Chase card that will earn you the most points for each transaction and transfer the points to your Chase Sapphire Reserve account. This allows you to benefit from the bonus rate on travel purchased through Chase Ultimate Rewards. Earning specifics. Chase has broad definitions of what counts as travel spending. Not only are purchases from airlines, hotels, and motels eligible, but also timeshares, discount travel sites, campgrounds, car rental agencies, and cruises, not counting purchases made on board the boat. Public transportation, limousines, taxis, ferries, highways, toll bridges, parking lots, and garages are all included, though gas and other fuels are not. Both fast food and fine dining restaurants are available for dining. This card excels at providing a variety of redemption options for its rewards. Using the Chase Ultimate Rewards portal, you can use any points you earn to book travel and a variety of other experiences. Points can be redeemed for cash, gift cards, Amazon.com orders, and Apple purchases, among other things. As long as your card is active, your Ultimate Rewards points will not expire. Points can be transferred to one of Chase's travel partners at a 1:1 ratio. If you're a member of a loyalty program and find a good deal through a travel partner, this can be very beneficial. You might be able to greatly increase the value of a point by using your Ultimate Rewards points to take advantage of limited-time offers through Chase's travel partners. Chase's airline travel partners include Aer Lingus Air Club, Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways Executive Club, Emirates Skywards, Flying Blue Air France KLM, Iberia Plus, JetBlue True Blue, Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards, United Mileage Plus, Virgin Atlantic Flying Club. Its hotel travel partners include IDG Rewards Club, Marriott Bonvoy, World of Hyatt. To maximize your rewards, you can begin getting the most value out of this card by ensuring you take advantage of its introductory bonus. That may take some planning, such as moving up some anticipated big purchases, since you need to spend at least $4,000 in your first 3 months with the card in order to earn the 50,000-point bonus reward. Just be careful to consider when and how you will pay back the purchases to avoid having interest charges eat into your net gain from the bonus. Remember to use this card's money-saving benefits as well. It offers trip cancellation and interruption insurance, for example, which isn't part of the benefits packages for all other travel cards. You can earn 5x total points on air travel and 10x total points on hotels and car rentals when you purchase travel through Chase Ultimate Rewards immediately after the first $300 is spent on travel purchases annually. Since you've spent $1,500 on travel, you would be eligible to receive huge bonuses, which may come in handy to offset the $550 annual fee. Avid travelers who take more than a few trips per year and dine out at restaurants regularly will predictably reap higher rewards with this card. They'll also be able to take full advantage of its perks. Given the $550 annual fee, frequent travelers and diners would allow the rewards to pay for itself while receiving other benefits such as lounge access, 3x the points on dining, and earning 1 point for every dollar on every other purchase. Chase Sapphire Reserve credit cards. Outstanding benefits include statement credit up to $100 every 4 years for global entry or TSA per check. Access to more than 1,000 airport VIP lounges worldwide. Complimentary benefits with the luxury hotel and resort collection. 24/7 access to customer service specialists. Standard benefits include no foreign transaction fees, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, primary auto rental collision insurance, $3,000 in lost luggage reimbursement, trip delay reimbursement up to $500, emergency evacuation and transportation up to $100,000, purchase and return protection, extended warranties. For a comparison of the Reserve to the Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card, check out my video on Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card so you can see which card is best for you. To truly understand whether one card is better than the other, you must calculate the value of the rewards earned and redeemed from the one-time bonus, likely annual spending, as well as the value of travel credits and access to airport lounges. This wraps up my review of the Chase Sapphire Reserve credit card. Let me know what you think of it. Thank you for sticking it out through to the very end of this video. Nothing helps out my channel more than y'all watching the entire video. These videos take a long time to make and are a labor of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word, and until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.